Hello friends and fans of EVGA, and today I'm going to be showing you the new Kingpin Hydrocopper water block. It's a really cool water block. It's only for the Kingpin card, and we'll show you the quality of this thing is really great. It's full copper, full cover. If you want to get the best performance and best temperatures on your card for a long-term solution, not like LN2, which would only be short-term of course, this is the way to go. So as you probably already know, the Kingpin card does come with a 240mm AIO pre-installed in it, but we do have the option of a full cover water block because many of our customers that are buying a super high-end high-performance card like this want to go to a full open loop setup, and that has no disadvantages of noise or space, and it looks really cool. So let's get this thing open. We have the installation guide, and that'll help you. It'll have all the instructions on how to actually get this water block installed. If you guys would like, I can do an install video for you guys, so tell me if that's something you'd be interested in, and I can do that as well. This is a bracket, GPU bracket, goes between the GPU die and the card block. And basically in here, this is more things that you'll use to install it. You've got an Allen key, some adhesives, and then all of your screws. Again, this is actually my first time getting to see the final version. I did get to see a pre-production sample and worked on that, but have not seen this final version just yet. Okay, so here we are. This is the hydrocopper block itself. And there we go. You get a good view of that there. You've got your full cover section here made out of copper, which is nickel plated. On the inside here, the actual exposed fins are not nickel plated, so you can see the copper color coming through on those. Over it is the acrylic plexi material that actually allows you to see the fluid as it goes through the block. So if you do have colored liquid, that will show quite nicely. It's also lit up really nice by the LEDs. We do retain the OLED display. The OLED is what you use to get all of your temps information and also all the parameters on the performance of the card. So we did include that in the hydrocopper version, so you don't just have that on the AIO standard version, you do get that on the water-cooled one as well, the open loop water-cooled one I should say. If you already have a Kingpin card or you're looking at buying a Kingpin card and you want to go to an open loop solution, we have you covered with the hydrocopper block. Helps us out if you subscribe to our channel, give a thumbs up on this video, and ring that bell notification if you want to see more videos from us. But at any rate, thank you for joining us, and you have a good rest of your day.